Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our iTel Fit O23 Plus smartwatch. And on this video, we are going to explore the smart notification, this push notification feature of the Fit O23 Plus smartwatch. So we will have a demo of the smart notification. On this video, we will focus on the Messenger and Instagram. So we will have a part 2 video focusing on WhatsApp, Viber, and SMS. Okay? So if you are interested to see this feature on the iTel Fit O23 Plus smartwatch, watch this video, and again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin. Let's explore the smart notifications. On this video, again, we'll focus on the Facebook Messenger and the Instagram. So we have here our support app. We are already paired with the application, iPulse application. Okay, and we have here the section for the push notification. Okay, let's activate it. If the app asks for notification permission, just allow it. Okay, so we have here the SMS, the WhatsApp application, Instagram, and Messenger. Okay, do we have the Viber here? Let's see. Okay, Viber activated. So seems like everything is okay here. Hopefully it works. We do have here a quick reply, but this is for the Bluetooth call. Okay, so let's start. Let's see if it's going to work with our Facebook Messenger. So the same setup, we will send a message. Okay, let's go for Samsung. Let's say hello. This is iTel O23. Okay, so let's send a message. Let's see if we can receive a notification. Okay, let's wait. We have here Facebook Messenger. Okay. Seems like we have the message here. Let's see. Okay, remind me later. Okay, so we do have here the notification. Our smartwatch did vibrate. Let's see. So we have, okay, checking for new messages. So we do have some other messages here that is not included. Okay, I don't know why the Facebook always do this, but we have here the message. Okay, so we have here, we do have two options here. Okay, again, if we're going to check our message, okay, seems like we do have a quick reply. I thought that a quick reply is only for calls. Let's see with this one. Okay, so we do have a support for emoji. Okay, let's go back again. I'm going to clear this. Then let's send hi. So we receive here an emoji. Okay, so we have the message here, and we have reply later. Okay, so we do have a support for quick reply here for our iTel Fit O23 Plus smartwatch. So this is new to me. Okay, for iTel smartwatches. Okay, so very interesting. and at the same time, it is a very cool feature for our iTel. Good addition. Let's go back again to the support app. We do have a quick reply here. So this the quick reply? Okay. Let's see. Let's add our own to see if this is the quick reply. This is a quick reply. Confirm. Okay, so we have here our own quick reply. Then we'll send a new message again to confirm. Let's check first the settings. Okay, I'm excited with our wearable here. Okay, I did not expect that there's a quick reply for messages. Usually it is only available for Bluetooth call. Then I'm going to add an emoji here. Let's see if we can receive an emoji. And we have here the message. Okay, so we don't have a support here for emoji when it comes to the message when you receive the message, but we do have an option for the quick reply. Okay, we cleared it. Again, we'll send a message. How are you? Then we'll have a quick reply, our own quick reply. Okay, so we have the message here. Let's use our quick reply. So we have here our quick reply. This is a quick reply. And we have it here. Nice. Very good so far for our iTel Fit O23 Plus smartwatch. So I am impressed with the quick reply feature of our Fit O23 Plus. Okay, as you can see, it's getting better and better. Then let's have a call here. Hopefully we can receive a call notification. Okay. And call. Okay, so you cannot answer calls here on the smartwatch, but you can receive a missed call notification, as you can see here. Alright, so next, after our successful demo with the Facebook Messenger, let's have the Instagram. Okay, for the Instagram, the same setup. We'll say hello. Hello. Let's see if we can receive a notification. Okay, the message is a bit delayed. Let's see. Let's say hi again. And we have it here. Okay, so we have the message here from Instagram. Again, we do have a quick reply option. Thanks. And we have the quick reply. Emoji. And we have it here again. Okay, so it works for our Instagram application. Okay, let's try to call. Okay, so we have an audio call notification for our Instagram. So there's a support for audio call notification. Again, it works with Messenger as well as Instagram for our smart notification feature for the iTel Fit O23 Plus smartwatch. And so far, it is a very big improvement for our Fit smartwatches by iTel, as we do have a support for quick reply on push notifications. Again, not just Bluetooth call, but smart notifications. Okay, so that's it. Support our channel again, like, share, and subscribe. And of course, watch out for our second video review for the WhatsApp application Viber, and SMS. Bye!